Hey guys, in this video I want to share how I lost my job as a copywriter to AI. And it's so stupid because on one side I love AI so much and on another side it's completely destroyed my life and took everything from me. But what I want to say is like I I I was foreshadowing this for quite some time. Here's some context. So I was studying computer science in college and I remember taking an AI class, and immediately after that class, I just dropped out of college. So we took what AI is, what its potentials are, what it's being used for, and what it can do in the future. And I remember thinking, oh, you can teach a computer how to write code. Cool, but like, how am I gonna be useful as a coder if the computer can't write code by itself? And I was like, I don't know how long this will take to happen, maybe 5 or 10 or 20 years, but at some point I'm gonna be out of a job if I keep doing this. So I quit. And before that, I was studying graphic design, and I quit that because I hated it, and I went into computer science thinking that's a bit more logical and stuff. But then I just dropped out of college. But you know what I thought? I thought, okay, maybe you can teach a computer how to write code, but you can never teach it how to be creative. Boy, was I wrong. Boy, was I wrong. Oh my God. So, whenever GPT-3 came out, I remember my boss or my CEO posting something on LinkedIn about how he prompted it to write something and it wrote it and it did a great job. And literally the next day, I stopped receiving tasks from this company, who for the past 2 years, I'd been receiving an insane amount of tasks every day. And I also happened to be the sole breadwinner for my family. So I had that to worry about, but I wasn't really worried because I was good at my job and I knew the company needed me. I was the only copywriter there. So it was kind of like, a done deal. And then GPT-3 happened, and I remember seeing it and thinking, well, this is pretty good for what it is, but I'm not sure it can replace me yet, but I kind of thought it might. And then I like just stopped receiving any tasks. And like a couple of weeks after that, they just let me go. They were like, oh, you're still here?
I expect there to be significant impact on jobs, but exactly what that impact looks like is very difficult to predict.
There is a misconception when it comes that AI will replace humans.
And I don't want to pretend that there will be no job loss. There will be some job loss.
AI is not going to replace humans. Humans with AI will replace humans that don't use AI.